Welcome to North Carolina Law TV. Today we're going to talk about insurance companies. Can I trust the insurance company to be fair? My guest is David Daggett of Daggett, Shuler Law, and he's going to talk with us about this topic. So David, good to see you again.
Good to see you. So
David, we've heard the slogans and everything on TV, but can we really trust the insurance company?
Well, I don't like the word trust.
Okay.
It sounds like some of our bad political stuff we've had lately
yeah.
when we start talking that way. So I don't like to use offensive language. However, the insurance company is not on your side. An insurance company's job is to pay out as little money as possible and to close their file. It's as simple as that.
Okay.
Close their file and pay out as little money as possible. If you're on the receiving end, that's not what you want.
Right.
Okay? You want to be dealt with fairly. You want to be taken care of. You want your damages covered and that sort of thing. And, popular notion seems to be that sometimes there's windfalls recoveries for accident victims. That's simply not the case.
Right.
I mean, somebody who's hurt in an accident, they have to fight for every penny they can get. Remember that insurance companies are multi-billion-dollar corporations with very sophisticated in-house staff, claims representatives, their own lawyers, and business executives. And what they're doing is they're running a business. They're running a business for a profit. Some of the insurance companies have had more than $1 billion or $2 billion in net profit in a year.
Wow.
Where those profits come from is by taking in money as far as premiums and paying out as little as possible on claims.
Yeah.
So their goal is not to give you a windfall. In fact, that doesn't happen.
Right, right.
because they have very sophisticated people on their side to make sure that doesn't happen.
Right.
So you have to fight like the Dickens to be treated fairly.
Yeah, yeah. Now, what are some of the tactics of the insurance company?
Well, the tactics are they want to close the file quickly, so they will rush you into a settlement to get their file closed, because once it's over, it's over.
Yeah.
There's no turning back. So once it's over, it's over.
Yeah.
The other thing is the laws are very complicated, and there's a lot of nuances in the laws. They know those nuances. You don't know those nuances. So a tactic that really, I mean, I don't know if it's not dishonest and it's not necessarily unfair. They just don't tell the ordinary person about all the nuances.
Yeah.
They just take advantage of them for their benefit.
Yeah.
So an experienced lawyer understands those nuances, understands the law, and can make sure that an injured person gets taken care of in a fair manner in which the law intended.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It makes sense.
So I don't consider the insurance industry the evil empire or anything like that, but they're very sophisticated.
Yeah.
And they're doing their job, which is to close files and pay out as little money as possible.
Yeah. What about your own insurance company? Can we trust our own insurance company?
Well, remember, your insurance company has two arms. The agent side of the insurance company, that's sales.
Right.
Now, their job is to sell you insurance. Now, hopefully you have an agent that will also advise you and guide you on proper coverages. And then they have the claims side. The claims side is once something does happen, they're the ones that pay out as little as possible. It's their job.
Yeah, yeah.
So, all the insurance companies, whether it's your insurance company or the other insurance company, their goals and motivation are very similar. They're running a business. They're trying to make profits out of the business. They take in premiums. That's their revenue.
Yeah.
Their expenses are claims. They want revenues to be high, claims to be low, because that's their profitability.
Right.
Okay? So as the customer, you just need to be aware of that.
Yeah, yeah.
And then turn to advice.
Yes.
So you should have trust and confidence in your agent, and otherwise find somebody other than your agent, like a law firm experienced in this,
Right.
to give you information. And one of the things that we're seeing now, and this has changed drastically over just the last few years, is people don't really have an agent because they're buying their insurance online.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah. So they're shopping online,
okay.
many times shopping for the lowest price.
Right.
And because your average person isn't experienced in insurance issues, they don't know the difference between coverages.
Right.
And I think that can be a little bit dangerous. You can end up not having enough coverage to protect you and your family.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I think it's prudent to at least either study it yourself or find somebody who knows about insurance coverages and get some advice to make
Yeah.
sure you're properly taken care of.
And if they need advice from someone like you, how could they reach you, David?
Well, they can find us on the web, daggettshulerlaw.com. We have a number of resources available there. Or call us at 336-724-1234.
Very good. Thanks for your time.
Thanks for having me.
Okay. Until next time, this is Cindy Speaker for North Carolina Law TV.